In primetime news this evening, bail or no bail for a former MP, court to make a decision in coming weeks.
Lawmakers lining up to quiz Integrity Commission over illicit enrichment probe and Dwayne Vaz's case.
And authorities keeping alert as water shops increase amidst drought. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, we had a press briefing today with the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, so I'll have some more. They looked at the revenue flows. Of course, earlier this week we heard that some of those revenue items, particularly tax revenues, were behind schedule for the last fiscal year, so I'll have those details later on.
And Jermaine Brown is here, but he's unscheduled. What's coming up in Primetime Sports?
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, has spoken following the controversial abandonment of two races at Caymanas Park last Saturday. We'll tell you what was said in a meeting today.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of the increasing number of companies selling filtered bottled water?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. The news in detail after the break.